67. The Fountain Opened. Some of our more beautiful hymns were written by William Cowper. They include, quote, God moves in a mysterious way, 1774. There is a fountain filled with blood, 1771. Jesus, where'er thy people meet, 1769, and many, many more. A man of frail health and serious problems, Cowper clung to such verses as Zechariah 13:1, quote, In that day there shall be a fountain opened for sin and for uncleanness, end quote. This was the inspiration for There is a fountain filled with blood. Read that hymn and you will see what it meant to Cowper. Cowper's long, reflective poems are wrongly neglected in our time. They manifest good poetry with Christian wisdom. Cowper was sickly, very prone to mental depression, and very much a frail person. He knew his frailty. What he clung to in the face of his weakness was the strength of the Lord. Quote, The fountain opened for sin and uncleanness. This is the great fact of our lives, that we have a source of strength and healing, one greater than ourselves. We have from him salvation, strength, and refreshing. He gives to us, not in terms of our strength, ability, or merit, but in terms of his grace and power. He who of old made the lame to walk and the blind to see can heal the weakness of our souls and the blindness of our hearts and give us victory in him. The ancient promise still stands as true as ever. They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary, and they shall walk and not faint. Isaiah 40:31.